Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner from Right to Repair. Guys, before we will move on to the Xbox One X, which is a problem of no post on the display, I would like to say that I'm trying now on Windows and there are same problems occurring. So it's not a Linux fault, it's a problem with input devices like this webcam, like the HDMI converter, yes, to the USB. And it's a bigger problem for me because I thought I can record it and I'll need to find another solution. But for now, let's try. I will tell more about this Xbox, but let me switch to the DSLR first and then I can tell you what I've done till now. Okay, so welcome back. Now, the problem with this Xbox was that customers said that unfortunately there's no picture on it, yes? On the ticket of the booking at Book Repair Online, you can read that there is no issue with the HDMI port and no picture. So, yay. I've tested and for real there is no post, but it's a weird one. I don't remember if I've done ever this kind of no post, because there is a small message like going from to. You've got screws on both sides, so it's easy to unscrew these two, so I won't be showing you in detail. But what I want to say was that oh, my light has went off. Now you're sliding this, yes, to the front. You can lift it up. To be sure, I haven't done it for so long that I don't remember how. I'm doing mainly Xbox One and One S, you know, and I don't do mainly One X. So now it's my time. But anyways, you know, so that's the case. That was smaller as far as I remember, but I might be wrong because I haven't done it for like many years. Yes, that's the one size smaller. We will need that as well. So whatever you've got, you need to go one level below. Might be this one or no, this one. Okay, cool. So what it is that you need to do these sides first. You get two screws here and one black on this side. As far as I remember, 3 of them have the same how do you call it, the same size of the screwdriver, yeah, the bit, same size of the bit. So that's the length of these two. These are the same ones, yes. Now this one here, it's a shorter one, yes. So from the front side, this black one is a shorter one. I'll move this one to the front so maybe we can get more light. Depend what will be better. Oh yeah, that is showing better in theory. We will see. Now this one was going off like that, so it's okay. The same one with the front. Here, as you see, there are gold ones. Gold should be the same size. 1, 2 and 3. I'm curious, you know, if I would be in Microsoft, I would go for a minimum effort. That's mean I would do better spec on the same main board, only I would change as minimum as I could to save up the money, you know. And I think they think it's better. Now you need to watch out this one. It has to be use your nail and do it like that, yes, and then you can pull this. Oh, I haven't. Okay, so no, I was wrong. It's you just pull it. You don't this model you don't open like that. I would tell you rubbish just now. Now we can change this bit back again to the larger one. Okay, and we can undo all those screws here. whatever you see has to go. Okay, so I'll pause the recording maybe, because there is no value for you to watch all of it. Okay, I'll unpause to show you which screws are long and which one are short, yes, because one will be long, one will be short. And then as well, you will see that 6 screws will be left, which I shouldn't swap this one first, the smaller one. Yes, I should leave it and undo those, but I haven't. So now let's see. So that's a long one. Okay, that's a long one. Okay, let's get those 4 here out. That's small ones. These are small ones everywhere. And that's the last small one, I think. Okay, so now what has left are the long ones. Okay, so here is a long one. Here are long ones. And here. So how many long ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 long ones. Yes, you can see that at the back you've got them at the corners almost here. Then following this line you've got, that's a APU cooler, yes, fan. So on the side of it there are 2, and there are 2 on this side, so it's like section in this way. So that's fine. Let's do those 6, but I'll pause as well, no point. You've got 2 here and 4 here, and that's us, you know, that will be completed. Okay guys, so I've done the 6 screws. Now let's pull this one, because that's the connector. That's just the connector, yes? So we can pull it and we should be able to. Oh, we haven't taken it out from the enclosure. Yes, because we've got those big long screws. You can see that there is quite a bit of a dust, but that's normal, you know, that's nothing new. That's all of them have the same here. Yes, sometimes there is a cut hair, depend who've got what. There is one more screw here, I don't remember. 2 screws here, yes, 1, 2, which I don't remember, to be true. So let's put it. And with Xbox One, or the other way around, how it will be, because I really don't remember. Okay, let's unscrew these 2 screws. These are the bigger size, from what I remember. Okay, so there is a shorter and there is a longer one. Okay, so the difference in between them is like this. Now the shorter is on the power side, and the longer is on the power side, and the shorter is on the HDMI, on the LAN side here. So just, you know, just for you to remember. Maybe you're better with remembering than I am, because I need to do too many mistakes too often to learn stuff. Oh, okay, went out. But I'm still not happy the way it's going out. Okay, now it went. Now we can move on to disassemble the rest. We need to get the whole main board out. It's looking like there would be one more screw here, but no, there is none. Okay, it just stuck. I thought that there is something new for me, but actually no. This cable is going from here because that's the power socket, and that's going all across here. So if you want to take it apart, you need to just rip it off. Yes, we don't want to, so we won't do it. It's the difference in between 1S and this is significant here, because the power normally is inside the power supply, the socket, I mean, yes, whereas here it's on this whole cable goes, and the power socket is here. So it's a different one. Okay, out and power out, and the SATA connector stuck. Okay, that's fine. And now last but not least, it's a hard drive. Okay, so that's the assembly, disassembly actually. Now this board now should go, yes, like that. This should go out. So that's the bottom of Xbox One Xbox One X. That's the top, and that's the end of this video, because we've got everything disassembled. Now what's left, yes, is just this bracket here, and then I need to clean up everything. Okay, so in order to do this one, I need something flat. I don't have, I'll need to stand up. I don't have anything, to be true. So yeah, I need to stand up and get a flat screwdriver. Guys, I need to pause because it's too far away, but maybe if I could use this one, that's flat as well. Okay, that will do as well. You see how I'm doing it? No tool needed. Takes seconds to do it, yes? You need to be gentle with it because you can crack stuff. Okay, so now if you would forget which way it goes, you've got those things here which are different to the rest, and here you've got those different to the rest as well. So in theory you can't mix it up. Yes, it's like impossible to mix it up. So that's the main board for the Xbox One X, and you've disassembled it if you followed my steps. I'll tidy it up. I'll make a test with a hard drive before the next episode. So you see, it took me not a long time to disassemble it. And if the test with another hard drive will show me that there is no difference, that means there will be still no signal, then automatically I know it's worth to do the retimer chip, this chip here. Yes. So we will be doing that retimer chip in the next episode. But first is a test of the hard drive. No matter what you try to do, if there is no display, never, you should, like ever, first do the retimer chip, because you will see a number of times it won't be a retimer chip and it will be just a hard drive. So in that case, you will waste only time, and you will waste money, and you will waste in general, and it's no point to waste anything. Yes, so let's stick to the procedure, and let's follow the procedure first, guys. So see you in the episode number 2, and I can say that I did test on different monitors, on different line out already, on different HDMI cables, and through the capturing device, HDMI capture device, and nothing. I can't literally get a signal. So I've done everything before opening. Yes, so just to be on the safe side, I followed all the procedure till the very end. Now the next procedure is clean it up, put new hard drive, known good hard drive or new hard drive, and trying to boot it up. If that won't change a thing, then that's mean the retimer chip needs to be replaced. I don't have oscilloscope readings for this retimer chip, so I can't tell you. I would give you the readings, but I don't have. So in our profession, you just blindly replace that chip, and we just wish and hope that there is nothing else wrong with it. Yes, if no, then you will have to investigate. But before doing the retimer chip and after doing the hard drive, there is one more step. You need to do visual inspection and point your attention to the ports, input-output ports, like HDMI ports here. Because if you won't, and if there's some short, let's say, then it might be the problem as well. Okay, so that's the procedure, guys. So that's it, you know it now. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.